Well, yet another dispute on fiscal issues between the centre and a state government has reached the doors of the Apex Court. This time, it's the turn of Karnataka government. Karnataka government seeking 18,000 crore rupees. So what's different here? What is the way forward? The Karnataka government is essentially seeking about 18,000 crore rupees from the NDRF, from the National Disaster Relief Fund, essentially citing the drought-like conditions that exist in the state. And in response to that, what's been interesting so far is that after the Apex Court had nudged the Karnataka government and the centre towards arriving at a settlement, we understand that the centre submitted an affidavit before the top court of the country that they have released a sum of 3,500 crore rupees to the Karnataka government. This is something that the Karnataka Government Council, Kapil Sibal, appeared before the top court and confirmed that indeed an amount of 3,500 crore rupees has been released, that the Karnataka government is grateful. However, the story does not end there. The Kapil Sibal said that there are still claims pending which are north of 12,000 crore rupees. Kapil Sibal clarified that this amount in question, 12,000 crore rupees, is not for the state government, is not for state's fiscal math, but it's important for granting relief for those affected by drought. It's for the public affected on the ground, and that's the reason why they are pressing this hard before the highest court of the country. Now, what's important is that Kapil Sibal further clarified on behalf of Karnataka government that there is a procedure in place under the NDRF for securing these NDRF funds, that Karnataka government is working as per that procedure, is working as per those norms, and has in fact met all those conditions. The one condition that in fact he was referring to was an Inter-Ministerial Committee which is formed to review the claims of a state government, to review the claims that have been made, and to also give recommendations on amounts that are to be released as against the claims that are made by the state government. In this case, Kapil Sibal clarified that the Karnataka government has made claims of over 12,000 crore rupees for giving relief to those affected by drought. An Inter-Ministerial Committee, as per the NDRF norms, was also formed. That committee, after reviewing the situation, has also given recommendations. The big question mark is, what are those recommendations? The Karnataka Government Council appealed before the Apex Court that there is no clarity whatsoever on what those recommendations are, on whether or not a release of any amount has been authorized by this Inter-Ministerial Committee. Those findings have not been made public, let alone public. It's not even been made known to the Karnataka government. This is something that the Apex Court has taken objection to and has in fact given a very, very tight rope to the centre, to the Attorney General in fact, to come back with clarity, to put on record what the recommendations of this Inter-Ministerial Committee is. What's important is that the centre, through the Attorney General, has time only till next Monday to give clarity on what this amount is, what the recommendations of the Inter-Ministerial Committee are. Clearly, all eyes, especially as far as Karnataka is concerned, will be on Monday on the top court of the country to gain clarity on what the recommendations are, and if at all there is a recommendation for release of further funds to the state of Karnataka for helping those affected by drought.